Funding from the Sugarbush Foundation is pivotal to the ripple effects that we're seeing from what they enable in our communities and on campus. The gift that they provide in bringing together our community and our campus to focus on challenges that we have, to think about sustainability and act on it is simply outside of the purview of everyday funding, to be honest. And their passion for this area, for Appalachia, is again, sometimes our area is kind of forgotten about, and Sugarbush Foundation, they put a spotlight on it, and that is in itself a gift as well. Sugarbush Foundation is helping to flip our regional narrative. They are turning this extractive history into an asset and resource recovery-based story. And without them, this wouldn't be happening at the rate it's happening, and we wouldn't be seeing these ripples that are coming out of the work. And that's something that they've catalyzed regionally with their support.